In this guide, we're going over how you can trade cards here in Clash Royale. It really is a simple process, and once you know where the options are, you can start exchanging cards with other players extremely easy. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up Clash Royale and heading to your cards or collection tabs. You can see all the cards you currently have unlocked. To trade cards, you're going to need other players to trade with, and there's two main ways to do this. You can either trade with someone on your friends list, or you could trade with players in your clan. If you're in a clan, just go over to the clan tab, which I'm in right here. And you'll see other members requesting cards or chatting. You can also talk with clan members and exchange trades with them in here. But before trading, you need to make sure that your king tower is at least level 3, since that is the minimum level required to request cards. Once you're ready, simply hit request cards, find whatever cards you want. For example, we'll just do a knight real quickly, hit request, and then it'll go ahead and send it in here. Other players in your clan will now be able to request or donate cards to you, and of course you can return the favor by giving them cards when they request it as well. Many players also like to coordinate trades through clan chat, agreeing which cards they'll exchange before making the request. So the basic process is joining a clan or adding friends in Clash Royale, requesting the cards you need from them, and then donating cards to other players in return, and that is how you can trade cards here in Clash Royale. If this guide did help you out and clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.